Everything is covered in a layer of white.
Holy crap, it's snowing. That's right. The inches on the ground just keep on growing. It's bright. The snow reflects the sun and it is glowing. Now, I think I'll put my goggles on. It's important. You know, snow blindness is a real thing.
When temperatures reach 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, atmospheric water vapor freezes into beautiful geometric crystals. These crystals fall from the sky down to the earth in what is commonly known as snow. And what's that I see out there?
Holy crap, it's snowing. Oh my. And not a single blade of grass is showing. It's cold, and it's not showing any signs of slowing soon. I guess it's time to go inside. Yep.